Може вони не почули, або ще щось. Ніхто в полон не здався. Всі ці...
Hi guys, it's Ed from Warthog Defense. Welcome back to our newest video. Ukrainian forces have taken decisive action against Russian soldiers responsible for the heinous act of killing Ukrainian prisoners. Seeking justice for their fallen comrades, Ukrainian units executed a strategic operation to neutralize those accountable. This bold move served as a powerful statement against those who violate the laws of war. Stay tuned.
Wow, what a bang! Allegedly, it was an ordinary Russian loaf, but it exploded like a wagon full of shells. Probably ammunition, explosives, or fuel were transported in the car. Russians who executed the surrendered Ukrainians were liquidated in a well-planned assault operation involving dismounting from Bradley. This was revealed in a long interview with the servicemen. While the assault operation was being organized, Ukrainians did not see the footage of the war crime, though they were made aware of it. In the assault, all perpetrators were liquidated. Footage of the 47th Mechanized Brigade. Interview, Ukrainian witness.
Вони тримали бій, наскільки мені відомо. Щось в них там з БК, чи почала зброя вже клинути, ну бойовий бій вони тримали довго. Зайшла туди, по нашим даним, бригадна розвідка. Закрутили хлопців і хлопці вирішили здатися в полон. Ну, це також те, що ми бачили.
А ви знаєте, чому вони вирішили?
Невідомо. Це тільки їм відомо тепер. Здалися в полон, а просто розстріляли. Прямо на відео, на все, беззбройних людей.
Так, вони виходили з бліндажа, ну, видно на відео, на всіх цих з піднятими руками, виконували, ну, як видно на відео, всі їхні розпорядження, там підняти руки, лягти і просто їх розстріляли після того, як вони вийшли з бліндажа.
Ви пам'ятаєте момент, коли ви побачили це відео? Яка у вас була реакція? Ну, я розумію, що ви, як військові, звикли до таких речей, але все-таки.
Відео ми вже побачили після самого штурму, але інформацією ми володіли, що там таке відбувається, перед самим штурмом нам сказали, що там відбулося, але самого відео ми не бачили, не був час. Час був на планування операції і на це все.
Пошли, двойка, пошла!
Планування було на вищому рівні, все було сплановано дуже хорошо нашим командуванням, безпосередньо нашим командиром, позивний «Козачок».
Давай!
Я, Борода і ще наші 4 військовослужбовця в Бредлі. Заїхали і ліквідували всіх. Пропонували їм здаватись в полон. Може вони не почули, або ще щось. Ніхто в полон не здався. Всі ці кати, нелюді були ліквідовані.
And the former Russian president Medvedev is now happy about the situation in Texas. He is writing, "Establishing a People's Republic of Texas is getting more and more real. Something I wrote about at the end of 2022 in a jocular forecast. The American administration shows its total inability to cope with the migration crisis, which has broken out in one of the largest U.S. states. Its governor stopped giving even the slightest damn as to what the White House and its senile old man Biden think, and started to mend barbed wire fences. Indeed, anything will do when defending against the flow of migrants who uncontrollably cross the southern border. This is yet another vivid example of the U.S. hegemony getting weaker, a process that is happening from the inside and is the result of the Americans' own actions. So eagerly supporting the Kiev neo-Nazis and seemingly blind to everything else, official Washington proved totally impotent in domestic policy matters. With their inaction, these very authorities can drive the people of Texas up the wall, the very people who are even now mulling over separation. There are known cases in history when some states tried to break away from the Union and form the Confederacy. The end result was the bloody Civil War, which cost thousands upon thousands of lives. Either way, America can face an unsolvable constitutional crisis, and for long fall into the abyss of a new, possibly even more destructive civil confrontation. And the Western world, its breath held, will be staring at the American mess in fear. Well, it's their problem anyway. And even though the U.S. trouble is fraught with great risks for the world's stability, the rest of the world, crunching on its popcorn, is watching, not without malice, an attack of the great loser's bad disease. Well, Medvedev maybe missed the part when Prigozhin and Wagner almost destroyed Russia in a one-day march, but he will see another episode soon. Residents of Russian Samara complain en masse about empty shelves in the supermarkets. Local media report. No eggs, no chicken meat as well. No vegetables and fruits, a local website writes. Local authorities claim that this crisis is due to heavy snow almost a week ago, and now everything is fine. Local Telegram channels report that many stores still have empty shelves. Speak Romanian. Moldovan anti-corruption official Veronica Dragulin rejects Russian-speaking journalist for not asking her question in the official language of the country, Romanian. I can't help you, I don't speak Russian.
Vă rog în limba română, eu nu vorbesc limba rusă.
Да, вы можете отвечать на За прошлый год сколько было возвращено в Молдову средств из украденного миллиарда?
Eu vă rog, deci puteți adresa în limba română, eu să vă întreb, deci eu nu înțeleg limba rusă.
Nu pot vorbi foarte corect.
Vă rog să adresați, deci puteți adresa în limba rusă în scris, o să primiți un răspuns, dar eu la moment nu vă pot ajuta, că nici eu nu vorbesc limba rusă. Următoarea întrebare.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. Stay with us with more updates on Ukraine. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.